mo ba na kahit may warrant of arrest ka or may kaso ka, pwede ka pa rin makalabas sa kulungan legally? No, hindi yan magic. Hindi rin yan palusot. That's the power of bail. Pero ano ba talaga ang bail? At bakit pinapayagan ng korte yan kahit may kaso ang isang tao? Let's clear this out. Ano ba ang bail? Bail is a security. Pwedeng pera, property, or even a recognizance na ibinibigay sa korte para payagan ang isang taong inakusahan na pansamantalang makalaya habang nagpapatuloy ang kanyang kaso. Tandaan, hindi ito bayad para bilhin ang kalayaan. It's a guarantee na babalik ka sa court kapag kinakailangan. At sino ang pwede mag-bail? In general, anyone charged with an offense that is not punishable by reclusion perpetua or life imprisonment has the right to bail. Kapag mas mababa ang maximum penalty, bail becomes a matter of right. Ibig sabihin, hindi ito pwedeng tanggihan ng korte. Bakit nga ba pinapayagan ng korte ang bail? Simple, because the Constitution protects the presumption of one's innocence. Hanggat hindi ka napapatunayang guilty beyond reasonable doubt, the law treats you as an innocent person. At bilang isang taong presumed innocent, may karapatan ka sa liberty, except only when the court has strong reasons to restrict it. At paano naman kung serious yung crime? For crimes punishable by reclusion perpetua or life imprisonment, bail becomes a matter of discretion. Ibig sabihin, the court will evaluate evidence first. So, kung may strong evidence of guilt, pwedeng hindi payagan ang bail. Hindi ito shortcut to freedom. Mahalaga, kapag nag-bail ka, hindi ibig sabihin tapos na ang kaso or libre ka na. You are still under the jurisdiction of the court. Pwedeng cancelan ng bail, ma-issuehan ka ng warrant, at ma-forfeit ang binayad mong security. Ano nga ba ang purpose ng bail? The real purpose of bail is to ensure the appearance of the accused in court. So hindi ito penalty, hindi rin to revenue to the government. It is a balance between the right of the accused and the interest of the state. So, the next time you hear granting of bail, remember, it's not about favoritism or privilege. It's a constitutional safeguard. One that protects your freedom, your rights, and the very foundation of a fair trial.